we try and go for like, so whether the gap that it happened today, there was a gap of rain. It was just kind of windy.
Yeah,
So
right.
we're like, right, let's get them outside, just get some
Yeah,
fresh air,
yeah,
um, and just wrap them up, and then they'll be fine. It's just, oh my God, it's yeah, they're long days. The
yeah,
days when
man.
it's hot and sunny, it's amazing. All day outside, it's brilliant.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Um,
Yeah, my little niece and nephew, who are called Joe and Katie. Oh, bless them. Little twins.
these are the twins.
Yeah, yeah, they're so sweet. And yes, crying is normal during meditation. Absolutely.
Oh yeah,
Let it flow, baby. Let it
it's all
all
about the
flow.
emotion.
Yeah, it'll all pop out different times. But anyway, Joe and Katie. Joe's taken this lovely, funny little habit where he's seen his father, David, tidying up.
Oh yeah,
He'll
yeah.
come in and he'll do a quick express tidy of the old toys on the floor in the living room. And because Joe's been watching him, he started to kind of copy his behavior. So he'll kind of play, but he'll spend half the time tidying now. But he's going through this kind
Yeah.
of odd phase where he's sort of like getting this kind of thrill from tidying. I just found that so
They
sweet.
do. They get into these weird little habits that they love to do.
Yeah.
Truly started being, Truly's been got into this thing of going, oh no, everything. I'm like, she just heard us being really like panicked about everything dropping on the like. She'll do about anything. You'll put a lunch in front of her. Oh
Oh
no,
no.
it's
God,
like her thing.
it's not surprising she have actor parents, huh?
Yeah.
Little
She also thinks the
dramatist.
word. She also thinks the word sorry or saying I'm sorry means that she's hurt herself. So she's like, she'll like fall on the floor and she go, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Do you know what would be a nice thing to investigate on the podcast would be what what are the ones that adults do? You're saying how children like start mucking up the semantics of like like this emotional language. Oh, I'm sorry, but it's like I hurt myself. She's that little kind of thing confused. But it'd be interesting to kind of like a sort of a John Ronson-esque exploration into what are the semantic confusions that grown-ups share. Do you know what I mean? Collectively, what are the mistakes or the sound and that correlate? Feel this more profoundly, probably closer to your gut than you would to your neck or your
Now
head,
that's interesting, yeah.
because
Because
we
I
are
wonder if
constant
like people have
vibration.
like, because I say because obviously meditation is very very powerful. So I wonder if there's something to do with if you have a gut issue, if you have issue in a certain part of the body and a certain organ,
Yeah.
it resonates with because that's like a similar thing with our circadian rhythm. You know how there's a certain point in the night that our body will be healing a certain or like resting or healing a certain organ.
Wow, really?
So
I never
between like
even
one
thought
and
about that. We should get circadian rhythm experts on the
we
podcast.
need a circadian rhythm because it's a huge one because sleep is such a massive one
Yeah.
and
So
someone
yeah.
just
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Does Justin bully me? Yes, absolutely, he does. He
oh yeah he's
terrorizes
such a
me.
bully.
He puts rotten meat on my chair by the set.
Yeah.
He stands outside my trailer and shouts all sorts of like really kind of mean things. And one time he TP'd my trailer, which actually Tom Hopper helped with. So that was.
I remember that. Yeah. Yeah.